If you use TOPSPIN on an Apple device, you might get this error as soon as you try to import NMR data into TOPSPIN. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix this problem and how to successfully import NMR data into TOPSPIN. So the first step to import a NMR spectra is to add a new directory. So we do right click and select Add New Data Directory. Then we have to select a folder in which our spectrum is supposed to be. In my case, I just pick this one. And we give it an alias. I will call it NMR. So this is the way it is supposed to work. It works with Windows, but on Mac, the problem is if you want to open this path now, it will give you this error. So how can we fix this? We have to do a little bit of extra work, but once you did it, it's quite easy to import new data. So what we're going to do is we will go to our Finder and we have to go to the settings. And if you're here at General Settings, you have to go to the sidebar and you have to activate hard drive. So usually this isn't selected, we will select it. So we can see our Macintosh hard drive here. And when you open it, you will only see a few folders. Now we have to click Command, Shift, period. And this will show us the hidden folders. And this is the one we need. We need to go to Options, TOPSPIN. And this is the TOPSPIN folder. And we have to add our folder into this directory so TOPSPIN has access to it. So we will just take our folder, which we wanted to use, and put it in here. So once it's in here, you can go back to TOPSPIN and do the same thing as we just did. I will just delete this one by remove selected data directory. Then we will go to Add New Data Directory. And we have to go to the folder we just put into this path. So Macintosh HD, Command, Shift, period. Then we go to Options, or the Opt, and TOPSPIN, and NMR. This is the folder we just moved in there. So once it's in there, we give it a name. And now it should be ready to go. Now we can finally import NMR data into TOPSPIN. I hope this video could help you. Even though I usually do videos in German language, I would really appreciate your support if you could leave a like or even subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions regarding TOPSPIN, you can just leave me a comment.